Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. Specifically, we're working with fractions. We have a problem related to TEKS 3.3h, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got four circles. And this first circle, they already tell us, is 3/8. And so we need to find different ways to shade other circles greater than 3/8. Okay? And then we need to find three of these ways are going to work. One of these ways is not going to work. So we can show it on the circles. We can also show it on number lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a number line here, and this number line is going to show me what we're starting with, 3/8, and we're looking for ways to make fractions that are greater than 3/8. So if I'm making 3/8, I'm going to cut it in half, right about there, cut each half in half, and then each fourth, or half of a half, gets cut in half, because I cut it in half 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 makes 8. So there's my 3/8 right there. That's what I'm looking for. And I want to get 3 different ways to make it greater than that. So I divide a circle into 6 equal parts. We can start with a number line and shade 3 of them. All right, so let's do this one. If I divide it into 6 equal parts, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to cut each of these halves into thirds. Because 2 times 3 makes 6. And then I'm going to shade in 3 of them. So there we go, 3/6. Is that 3/6 greater than 3/8? Yes. So we can represent that here. Kind of do it like this. And then I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's definitely greater than 3/8. Divide a circle into 4 equal parts and shade 3 of them. Let's do this. Here's my 0 to 1. I'm going to cut it in half and then cut each half in half. And there we go. Oh yeah, 3/4. Definitely greater than my 3/8. So easiest way to do it is just to make the plus sign. There's 4 equal parts. Let's shade in 1. Let's shade in 2. Let's shade in 3. So the first 2 already work, which means we're not using them. We're looking for the one that doesn't work. So it's going to either be C or D. So let's check C. All right, so I'm going to divide a circle into 8 equal parts and then shade 3 of them. Okay. Well, that is exactly what we have already done. If you haven't noticed that, take a look. There's my fourths. Cut each fourth in half. And look, basically, I've just recreated 3/8. 3/8 is equal to 3/8, but 3/8 is not greater. I'm looking for something that is not greater than 3/8. So I'm thinking it's this, because 3/8 is equal, not greater than 3/8. Let's check this last one. So this needs to be greater than 3/8, and if it is greater than 3/8, then we're good. So I need to cut it into 3 equal parts, and so thirds are hard. And so I'm just going to kind of estimate with my eyes how I can kind of cut this into 3 equal pieces. Now I'm shading all 3 of them. So look, I'm going to come all the way over here. So this one hole is also going to be 3/3. Definitely greater than 3/8. And so when we make thirds, what we want to do is we want to draw a line from the top down to the center, and then we want to kind of make a Y, but we want to make it kind of fat, because if we make it kind of skinny, then we obviously don't have 3 equal parts. Either way, look at this. I'm shading in 1, shading in 2, shading in all 3 equal parts. So those are the 3 ways to do it. The one way to not show a fraction greater than 3/8 is to make 3/8. Answer is C.